So today we're going to be talking about how to suppress mugshots. Now, obviously, there's a lot of reasons as to why somebody might want to suppress or remove mugshots online, but what are some of the downsides of obviously having mugshots being shown up for your name, James?
Yeah, obviously there's lots of disadvantages of showing a mugshot. So a mugshot is where you've been arrested and the photo of yourself, normally it looks unpleasant, if I'm being honest with you. And it's been uploaded onto a specific website and it's ranking for your name. And obviously, if anyone starts searching your name, whether they're looking for to hire you as an employee, or you're an employer, or you're a business owner and someone's looking to hire you as a business, and they see the mugshot as being the first photo or the first image ranking in Google search, you want to obviously try to remove that as best you can. So, Kasra, obviously you're heavily kind of involved with quite a lot of online reputation management services and agencies. So what's the best ways of trying to delete it, get rid of it, suppress it onto page two? Like what options have people got to get rid of mugshots?
Yeah, so there's a variety of different ways that we'll cover in this video, but obviously step number one should be finding out where this mugshot is listed, whether it's on a specific website, a specific blog article, and reaching out to that blog article. Now, obviously in-house, we've got a load of different templates that we can use that have obviously worked in the past for previous clients that we've dealt with. Now, in some cases, if that doesn't work, there are different ways, like for example, trying to suppress it onto page number 2 or page number 3 of Google as well. So what are some methods that we obviously use, James, for suppressing it onto page 2 or 3?
Yeah, I mean, the difficult part with this is that a lot of people come to us saying they want to completely remove it or delete it off the internet. Now, there is one or two websites out there that actually create the mugshots and they will not remove it. No matter how much you try to beg and plead to take it down, they won't. Even if the worst thing is with this is that at times you can get arrested and that you can actually plead your innocence and be found not guilty, and they still won't take it down. Which is, I think, is a bit out of order, from being honest with you. But if you're wanting to try to remove it, the best actual way is suppressing it onto page 2. Obviously, there's a classic saying: the best place to hide a dead body is on page 2 because nobody looks there. So for that reason, what I would be looking to do is, instead of spending all the time and the effort in trying to get it deleted, we'll try to, as an online reputation management agency, it is to try and sync it with good quality images. So go and get a load of face shots, go and get loads of people, let's say, meet the team pages, go and get as many different places as possible where you can upload different images and do certain techniques like tier 2 backlinks and virality that all go through to it. There's actually quite a lot of work involved because you need to be ranking. At times, if you want to get rid of it completely in Google Images, you probably need 30 or 40 images above you before people can scroll down a little bit before they see this mugshot. So is there anything else that you'd add? Like, who would you say are the best online reputation management agencies to remove mugshots?
So obviously we do it ourselves at FatRank. There is Reputation Pros by Scott Keever. He's also got scottkeever.com that also does a little bit of online reputation management. But when it comes to these strategies as well, like I think that it's really important for people to understand that it's not like an overnight fix either. So you obviously want to make certain that you are active on Instagram, you're active on social media, Pinterest, all of these other platforms can definitely help. And also another strategy that a lot of these companies actually use is making certain that your website is actually registered. So for example, having the ownership of jamesdooley.com or having the ownership of kasradash.com. I feel like there's a lot of different reputation management companies, but we're also going to only speak about the ones that we know of and actually have worked with in the past.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, obviously, for me, Elite Reputation Management, they're doing some great jobs. Obviously, me and you have done quite a lot of consultancy work with them. Scott Keever's involved in that as well. I feel like he's heavily involved in a lot of ORM agencies throughout the world. He does quite a lot in Dubai and obviously over in Florida. There's big problems there with mugshots and people want to get them removed, whether they're an entrepreneur or a high net worth kind of individual and stuff like that. So the elite reputation management, what they're actually quite good at is semantic SEO. So they understand the attributes, and what they'll try to do is touch on stuff to do with being arrested and mugshots, and try and go in hand to try to sink that further down. So there's certain like content and stuff around the images as well of what they're doing. So yeah, if anyone is looking to have any mugshots being removed, then head on over to FatRank and we'll try to assist. If we can't, we would put you in touch with somebody like Scott Keever or Elite Reputation Management, who might be able to delete or hopefully suppress images that you don't want to be seeing on the first page of Google.